Alright, today we're looking at a 2013 certified Honda Civic LX. It's got 44,000 miles on it. Alright, it's crystal black in color. They're asking for $11,600 for it. Alright, it's marked down to $11,600. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start over here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. There's a few little scratches right back here above the light. Okay, but they've been painted over. It's really hard to notice those. It is equipped with a rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks to be in good shape. Alright, once again, it's a 13, 44,000 miles on it. It's marked down to $11,600. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black cloth seats. Really cool pattern on here. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. No problems at all there. It does have your USB port there in the center console. It is an automatic. Got your auxiliary and power outlet down there. Climate control area here. Got your AM/FM CD player there, and it does have a display screen here with the mileage and whatnot, and we'll have your backup camera there. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then it's got your econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 44,137 miles. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and you do see it has the digital speedometer there. And I'll go ahead and pan out and let you see the layout of the dash here. Alright, the Civics are really nicely lit up. Nice dash right here, nice layout. Okay, AM/FM CD player. Got the climate control going here. AC is blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, it is the two-door coupe, so we'll just lean the front seat back. Back seat cloth is in great shape. No problem at all there. Let's take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here is in good shape. Alright, got the spare tire there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, 15-inch alloys, 15-inch steel wheels, plastic hubcaps on there, brand new set of tires. Alright, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, we got a certified 2013 Honda Civic LX. Alright, it's 44,000 miles on it. They got it marked down to $11,600. It's crystal black in color. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.